Hey, what's up? My name is Donald, and I got a shop for modifications for Overland and Jeeps in Atlanta, Georgia. Make sure you follow me on YouTube at Off-Road Toys South Atlanta, and also on Instagram and on Facebook.
And if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. We do everything from gear review. We have a 96 Land Rover Defender with a camper conversion. We build trailers, Jeeps, Toyotas, all sorts of stuff. We have a great online store called IncaOverlandOutfitters.com. I'll put it in the description. And we sell everything from Cook Partner stoves, Timbo Tusk, rooftop tents from 23.0, OVS, everything. So you'll find the best deals, great prices.
And let me show you a walk around on this custom-made trailer that we created from zero. First of all, the base model for this trailer is 1,000 pounds with no accessories, no roof tent, no shower tent, no nothing, only with 35s and 17-inch wheels. Let me show you first the custom work we did to it. To accommodate the shower and the restroom, we created this bracket, and there's many options on YouTube. There's many ideas, but we went with as much as simple as we could, currently to our roof tent. This opens and it locks over there, and then it brings down. Right now it's really windy, so we can't put it up right now. Bring it down. We did some custom big fenders here, white, so you can use them as a table on either side. We got a tailgate, which is really strong. Definitely this will hold up maybe 400 or 500 pounds. Really wide, you can use it as a table. We will have some measurements as well for y'all. These are recovery rings. And then one of the best things of this trailer is this. There is a bunch of clearance. It's about 28 inches of clearance. We got the timbered axles, 4-inch, and we customized it to make it more higher. Okay. We use this side more. This is our side of the kitchen. We fabricated also this as a custom bracket, so we can accommodate it when we open the roof tent, so it comes out and then it doesn't hit it. And when you're not using this, then we can have it all the way to the inside. We got some floodlights here. This is our door for the tent, for the trailer. This is the slider for the fridge. And we got a couple accessories in the inside. We got a shovel, we got an axe, some rhino rack brackets with a lock. It's all Raptor line inside. Raptor paint in the outside. And then we got our water jugs here. We got our gasoline. We got a propane bracket, which is here. Machete, shovel, first aid kit. We got our fire extinguisher. And then we have also, we went with the military one, with the Pinto one. It moves from here, so it kind of flexes. And I also put this, so I can move this by myself with this tire and this hitch. And then we cut the little thing that you twist with, and I just welded a nut here to make it faster, up and down. And then my lights, the way I control them, well, I got the lithium battery here, the aux beam. This is my interior lights, which you can see probably in there, and then my floodlights, and then we got 4 rock lights as well. Right here, this amber color, and then I got my cargo, which is in here, some KC lights. Everything's been custom made at our shop. Also, I carry a chainsaw. I customized a bracket here inside, and it's a small chainsaw, but I cover it to keep it from dust and stuff. and water. The rack is very heavy duty, as you see right here. It has reinforcements there, reinforcements in the middle, on the corners. And so happy with the build.
Perfect. And then just say again where.
All right. Just make sure you follow us. You can find us in YouTube at Off-Road Toys South Atlanta, or you can go to Instagram, or my phone number is 678-251-8454. We build this for sale as well, or we can sell you just exactly what you saw right now, just like that. It all depends. We also can make you an enclosed trailer, which we're working on for another customer right now. It can be a solid axle or it can be a timber axle. All right, thanks for watching. I hope you like and get any ideas from here.